Anyway, Davie Kerr's the next one up again, and I think great job at 3, Davie says. He said that.
Into a swagger. Into a swagger in their step, o Scottish sodgers yet, and hint the pipes with bags of pep unconsciously displayed. We shouthers squirt, they roll away, their manner and their bearin inspires the hert and prides the e, a feelin and sharing. So as you know us, you'll mebbe mind Neil Armstrang first with stagger upon the min, and for mankind, loup't doun we hint to swagger. But Scots, to focus good intent, man needs agree a forum. See here record their parliament, Jens Mayor, with due decorum. To don the kilt, you needn't be a sodjer or an astro. You don't even need to be your land to take commando. For all it takes is confidence. Know how to cancel lager with self-respect and ruth of sense, and just a hint of swagger.